Alright guys, well, further on into the trip, we've now made it up to Parry Sound. So we're going to keep exploring, seeing what we can find. We've hit Parry Sound. So far the trip we've gone from Owen Sound straight across to Midland up to the Massassauga Park, and now from there up to Parry Sound. So we're going to just continue on, see what we can find. Stick around. Alright guys, well, we've made it out to the outer islands on Georgian Bay, just to the west of Parry Sound. Some incredible sights, no one around, and my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing getting some rest. So I figured we'll take a couple moments just to check out this location. Like I said, you have all these rocks. You're not allowed to stay on these rocks, but definitely you can stop off and have a look. It's absolutely beautiful out here. So just kind of admiring it. No one around, kind of had the water to ourselves, so just been out having a great time. Sorry hasn't been much in the way of video up until this point, but like I said, just kind of been awestruck with how beautiful it is out here. I'd rather enjoy that and come back another time and do some more filming and stuff, but I'm gonna see what we can put together in this video. But man, what an incredible view. So we're gonna keep going. It's about 5 o'clock now, so we still got a good amount of sun left, but we're gonna keep making our way kind of in towards finding some campsites at the provincial park, a little backcountry camping and stuff like that for the night, and see what we get from there. So we'll catch you in the next little bit. flip-flops are squeaking. So beautiful over here. All right, so we're just gonna pack up the Sea-Doo so we can keep on going on our trip. So I'll just show you briefly what I got here. Is I've got the fuel caddy, and I've got all my like camping supplies like stove. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fish right there. Looks like a rock bass. And the guy that goes fishing is passed out. Big fish, fisherman.
Small fish.
Big fish. No, that's dinner right there if you get off your lure. He's coming towards us. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Sesame Street lied to me. And it is one of my favorite episodes too. Where was I? All right, so like I was saying, well, my Sea-Doo drifts away. I've got the fuel caddy there just in case of emergency. We got some fuel extra. The top link bag is camping supplies like a little burner stove, pots and pans, things like that. Backpack with clothes and any other personal items we need. In the cupboard, try that again. In the storage department, we've got the tent, sleeping bag, some extra clothes, and I don't know if you can see it, but an extra 20 liters fuel can right there. So that, again, in case of emergency. So we'll pack all this up, and then like sunscreen, flares, wallet, all these things like that. A little towel to clean off with. I just finished my water. So let's pack this up and I'll show you what it looks like all packed up, and then we'll start moving out from there. Okay, we've made it back on to the Sea-Doo. We're about to take off, but tragedy has struck.
Yeah.
And when I say tragedy, I mean something that I bragged about for the longest time has now officially happened. People can say stuff. If you watch this video, please like, click subscribe and all that stuff. But as I was getting on the boat, I dropped my phone into the water. Well, yeah, into the water, but on the rock. I done broke up my phone, which I don't know if you can see. This is why you get Apple Care. New phone. Anyways, we're about to head back and go find a campsite for the night, cook up some dinner, which would be hot dogs. Ironically, with no condiments, because why would we think to bring that? So sit back, relax. This next little bit of the video is us going that way. Asterisk on that. We might go that way. I don't know. We're not trying to get too close to this guy here, but there is a baby black bear in the water here, swimming from one island to another. I don't know if you can see this. That is crazy. There is a black bear swimming across these islands.
That's a long swim.
But look how much of him's out of the water, eh? He's like floats. Like I said, we're not giving this guy to him. We're not getting too close to him. We just want to make sure he makes it to the island okay, because he's coming from all the way back over there. That's a really big swim, so let's see. We just want to make sure he gets there safe and sound. We're not going to bother him or anything like that. This probably looks like the size of him, like a year one, so he's maybe, or a year two. and stuff like that. But yeah, did not think I'd come across seeing this. Crazy. And he's made it. Yay! Look at him go. Look at him go.
That's a baby.
Now this is the baby. Good. Alright, well at least he made it. But again, we weren't harassing him or anything like that. We were just trying to make sure he got over to the island okay. It's really cool to see. Alright guys, well we've made it to our campsite for the night. It's an inlet that we found off the main bay. So I've just got the sea-doo tied up. Looking beautiful. And this is our view for the night. Not a bad place to be spending an evening. So we're gonna get the tents all set up, get a little bit of a firewood together, make some dinner up, relax for a little bit, and then get ready for tomorrow morning and start our journey all the way back. So
he's parked all the way down here somewhere. Let's see. Seen 2 bass swimming already too. You know I'm gonna have to cast the rod. And there's Marky boy.
what's going on, buddy?
Why you parked so far?
I went to the calm and secluded area.
I think everywhere here is calm and secluded. We're 3 turns into a spiral away from the main lake. And don't worry, there's no bears on the mainland. They're only 40 miles from shore, 30. Alright, so here we are cooking our food on the grill, but picked up the rod. I cast once, caught a pike. Nothing special at all. And Mark cast, had a hit, cast again, had another hit.
My goal is to be like the last time I was fishing with you and catch a rock.